Hi everyone. In this section, you're completing 6 practice exercises, and one of those asks you to speak from the heart. So I thought I would take a moment here in this final video for tip 99 to speak from my heart and to thank you for your support, for reading, for thinking, for being open to explore your teaching on behalf of your success and the success of our students. It truly is an honor to get to work with educators because the work that you are doing is so critically important to our world and to the greater good. So thank you for sticking with me and for watching these videos and for reading these tips. And I really do want to hear from you. So please do reach out, comments, connect with me via my website or Twitter. I'd love to hear how your video creation process is going. So that's me speaking from my heart. Thank you for all of your support. Thanks for watching.